Now I am going to cover how to use product collection for e-commerce stores. Business users now have the ability to assign products to different collections for easy navigation in online store. First, go to Gohighlevel sub-account, then click payments. Next, go to products column. Click products. Here you can see the product list page. You can create a new product by clicking create product button. Here you can enter a new product information. In the product collection, you can add new collections. Here already one collection is there. If you want, you can add a new collection. If you want, you can add information. Just click back button. This phone record is already created. To edit the collection, go to products, then click collections. Here you can see the collections. By clicking these three dots, you can edit or delete the collections. Now let us see how it is working in online store. When customer visit your site, they can see this one. Then just click here. You can see different sections. Here you can select the product from the collections. And you click confirm. Now the user can see the different products in the collection. This is the way you can use the product collection for e-commerce stores. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks.